Hello from the flight deck, my name is Carter. I'm your captain today. I'm joined by First Officer Courtney and 4 incredible flights in the cabin. I'd like to extend a warm welcome on Flight 1434, service to Salt Lake City. Our flight time for takeoff to touchdown is looking about 1 hour, 19 minutes. Should be a pretty smooth ride as we make our way over there. Our flight attendants are here for your comfort, primarily if your safety. Following their instruction is a federal aviation requirement. Relax, enjoy your time with us in the sky. Thank you for choosing Delta. We'll be on our way shortly.
Headphones.
Delta 1434, traffic will cross runway 24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up and wait, Delta 1434.
Delta 1434, RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
24 left, clear for takeoff, RNAV Delray, Delta 1434.
Delta 1434, contact SoCal departure.
Good day, Delta 1434. Cal departure, hello, Delta 1434, 1.9 climbing 5,000.
Delta 1434, SoCal radar contact, climb B at a 15,000.
Climb B at a 15,000, Delta 1434.
American 1434, turn left, direct KLIPR. Delta 1434, turn left, left turn direct KLIPR.
Left turn direct KLIPR, Delta 1434.
Delta 1434, contact LA Center 125.27.
2527, take care, Delta 1434.
Base.
On behalf of Delta and our global airline partners, thank you for choosing us. Our priority on this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items may get shifted during takeoff, and keep the aisles clear of any potential trip hazards like bags or bag straps. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew member instructions, prohibits consuming any alcohol you might have brought on board with you, and prohibits the use of cellular networks during flight. Use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. Your comfort as well as the comfort of those around you is important to us at Delta, so we kindly ask that you use earbuds or headphones with any personal electronic device during our flight. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. If you fear electronic devices overheating, notify your flight attendant. Lavatories are refreshed throughout the flight, but if you notice an untidy lavatory, please let a flight attendant know. Fast speed Delta State Wi-Fi is available on today's flight for SkyMiles members. If you're not a SkyMiles member, it's free and easy to sign up. See the Wi-Fi seatback card for more information. We invite you to enjoy complimentary entertainment and a variety of complimentary Coca-Cola beverages and snacks. Alcoholic beverages are available for purchase. To see what snack and beverage selections are available on our flight, please review the seatback menu. You save 20% of the